in the springtime, it like the rain. But when my niggas load the choppers, they say the same. They say it's all about the money, you can keep the change. They say niggas changed up right after I came. Why do bitches tell lies? Fuck it, we do the same. They say my numbers running up, bitches say that I changed. You wasn't with me in the gym, my team remained the same. Big nigga, no problem, heart full of pain. Niggas dying every day, snitching, telling names. Do your dirt all alone, stay humble, remain sane. Keep your back against the wall, pistol on aim. They knocking niggas off for the bread, they'll take your brain. Fucking the pen with the pad, make my thoughts rain. Diamond dance a few bands, just a mil away. Skywalking with the pros, just a mile away. Niggas can't slow me down, all I know is pay. It's me against the world if I drop today. These niggas bitches, these niggas snakes. Real recognize real, that's how we relate. I'm on the money making mission, watch me elevate. Go grinding to these bums envy. Why do these niggas change up? That's that bitch in me. A lot of niggas act tough cause they hood with him, but I line your ass up with a $150. I keep shooters on deck, I got Curry with me. They a hating till you fall, that's that Kobe in me. I ain't flipping no white, but I stay crispy. I be flying through the light, bum, come get me. I keep a cup full of Rose, cup full of Remy. I'ma stack it to June and fuck up the city. Keep my pockets on swole, cause these hoes greedy. Say it's bros over hoes, free my niggas city. Yeah, I came out the mud when niggas get busy. I'm gon' rap until I'm on, I'ma catch a million. And if I ever fall on, my niggas get busy. Load the choppers up, Ray and Ike with rain.